is the check man.
Operator, call my baby. Cause I think my baby's feeling down. I'm out on this road, making that money. So I can buy some things for my honey. She like them good things. She like them diamond rings. She likes her bills paid on time. Sometimes when I'm gone, she feels alone. But baby, understand that I'm around. All you gotta do is call me whenever you feel lonely, baby. Now all you do is call.
All right, here we go. Here we go again. We got the old girl polished up. Got her polished up, put some spikes on it, dress it up a little bit. Yes, sir. Here we go. Just a little bit at a time, Polished it this weekend. Put the sleeper panel lights on. And just a little bit by a little bit, work in progress. If you in Georgia, Atlanta area, need your truck polish, I'm going to drop a phone number below. If you need truck polishing, I'm going to drop a phone number below in the description. And you hit the guy up and he'll come to you, polish you up. But anyway, here you go. I got something for all the new guys out there that's looking to, start a business and get in this business, trucking business. This is my magic formula that I use. And this is how I'm able to stay afloat and do upgrades, do maintenance, put chrome on the truck, take care of the household, take care of taxes, do everything. So this is what I call the Goblin Formula. It's called the Goblin Formula. And what it is, it's like split in four ways. So this magic number is 33%, 33%, 33%, and then 1%. So if you do it this way, you'll never be without. You'll be able to run your business and stay afloat. But anyway, the first went 33% to you and your household. The second went 33% to your maintenance. Then 33% to your business. Then 1% towards, whatever, savings or growth. So when you put all those numbers together, you got 100%. And out of that 100%, you should be able to run your business effectively and stay afloat. Okay, so example, you can take it from your net or your gross. So if you net $5,000, okay, we're gonna take 33%, put to you and your household, that's $1,650. Okay, 33% to your maintenance, another $1,650. 33% to your business, insurance, taxes, and growth, another 33%. Then 1%, you can put that towards savings or anything else. So that's just a breakdown on how I do it. And it's a good formula to use. Also, when it comes to the trucking business, if you guys are looking for some real good guys that give good information, and these guys do not get the recognition that they deserve, I highly recommend you guys check out 404 Trucker. This guy is a genius. This guy talks about real estate, business, stocks, everything, trucking business. This guy's absolutely pretty much a genius when it comes to this. And the next one, HT Logistics. These two guys, they give some real good information and they don't get the recognition that they deserve. So I encourage you guys to check them out if you want to hear some real information about trucking business. Yeah, so I get a lot of guys ask me, how can I get a truck? How can I get into this business and do stuff? But the way I do it, I do write it out, plan it out. Mechanical, suspension, interior, lighting, exterior paint, exhaust. Plan everything out, write it out, think about it, visualize it, how you want your truck to look, and create short-term goals and long-term goals. I can do this month. Put 200-300 aside towards the truck. Towards chrome or whatever you want to do to it, and go from there. But just plan it out and make it flow really good. I wrote everything down that I did to my truck the way I wanted to do it. I knew I wanted clear lenses and amber LEDs all the way around the truck. So that's what I got in the bumper. I got clear lens, amber LED. On the sleeper panels, I got clear lens, amber LEDs. In the back, I got rear center panels, the mud flap lights, clear lens, amber LED. So everything, I wanted everything to flow together. So that's kind of how you do it. Think about every aspect of the truck, what color you want it, how you want it to look, what kind of lights you want to put on it. Just visualize it and put it on paper, and it can come into reality. You do a little bit at a time. Every week, do something, and it'll come together. So next up, we got these air cleaner lights. We're gonna put it in the air cleaners, and we got some light strips to go on the side up under the sleeper, right above the fuel tanks. There's just another thing we about to do to it. So this gonna go up under the cab. It's gonna be a 12-inch length. Then we got the 48 going up under the sleeper section above the fuel tank. And that's gonna be the next project. Stay tuned.